Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to set photo 4x4 paper size in Excel. So guys, this is very easy to set this paper size in Excel. So first you need to click on here page layout. This tab you need to just click on it. Now size, just click on it. Now need to scroll down and you see here this option photo 4x4. You see here this option, so just click on it to set it. If you not find here, so click on more paper size. Now here paper size, just click on here and you can find this. Scroll down and find it, photo 4x4. Select it, click on OK. That's it. So this way you can very easily set this paper size in Excel. So thanks for watching this video.